642, the pandemic has forced schools to create new rules as children return to the classrooms. And Lacey Denise is live with more from AHA Punana Leo's Manoa campus. Good morning, Lacey.
Good morning, Steve. Thankfully, they didn't kick us out yet. We've been talking a little loud, but we're having a lot of fun here at Punana Leo o Manoa. And I just want to point out that we did get our permission slip signed. We took our temperature, making sure to keep our masks on and making sure to keep that 6-foot distance. Now, I want to shift gears into the online program that Punana Leo offers. And to talk about that today is the manager of the online program, Mr. Alika McNeil. Thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, thank you for having me.
First off, can you tell us, this is a very hands-on type of a program. This is something that you had to completely create from scratch, right, when the pandemic first started?
Hi, Polole. We had, our program is family-based. So to have that pandemic take that away from us, we had to really shift. And we did that by doing online learning for our keiki at home. So our kumu had to learn how to use Zoom and all the different technologies to create interactive lessons to keep the keiki engaged.
And let's talk about some of those programs. You have our laptop set up here. Can you walk us through some of the programs you offer online?
Sure. Well, this particular program is called Aukukui. It's our Hika'o Ohana for Ohana who are at home with keiki at home, who have, are not going to school every day. So what we do is we took all of that knowledge that we learned from that time during COVID and put it into an online program for keiki at home, or even in Punana Leo as well, but mostly for the general public. So we created these online classrooms with interactive buttons, and the keiki can scroll, and all of these are live.
Wow.
Live images that they can click on. They have videos, we have books, we have games, and we have PDFs. So if you click on a PDF, you can download the worksheet and print them out at home and have your keiki work on the worksheets.
That is awesome.
Yeah, so it's just very interactive, and even we have videos that we produce too, in-house, to engage the keiki, right? So we want them to have opportunities to hear the language and to practice makahale at home with their makua.
I love it. And we just have a few more seconds, but I do want to point out that this program is available not only to students here, but for all ohana. And this is actually a really great way for any parents who are interested in possibly sending their kids to Punana Leo, right?
It's a great primer to get them ready, to get them makaukau to become a part of the program. Polole.
Alika, thank you so much for joining us. And we'll have much more here from Punana Leo o Manoa. Don't worry, Steve, we've got a lot more content coming your way.
Nice to see you are on your best behavior this time, Lacey.
Best behavior.
All right. 6:45 right now. Coming up, locked.